Wagwan, beautiful people. You don't know it's Island Boy Africa. Yes, right. We on the roll now. Let's go now. Yes, Rasta. So as you guys can see from the title, basically this is an update video. It's me basically telling you what's been happening and what's the present moment and what's for the future. Isn't me? So yeah man, let's just jump right into the video. You know the vibe.
It's island. Boy. Yeah.
Alright, so guys, most of you might know by now that Maria is not in Jamaica. Even though I still see some comments that people are saying, oh, stay safe guys and all of that. But yeah, give thanks for that same way. But Maria came to Jamaica back in October. You understand? I think it was the 14th of October.
Hey baby.
And she left, I think it was the 15th of November. So this is it. Baby's leaving right now.
I'm going.
Crazy. Very emotional, you understand? But yeah, she'll be back. Yeah. And we're gonna do this all over again.
Yep.
You understand? And we didn't start posting video until till she left, you understand? Because I didn't want to take up our time, you understand? And then start editing while we just have a month, you know, basically with each other. So I started uploading videos after she left Jamaica, you understand? And why the videos took so long to even come out, like all of the videos, is because basically I only drop like one video a week, you understand? And it led up to this time in May, you understand? So that's what basically happened. Yeah man, and even let's go back to when she was in Jamaica. Like we went to some crazy place, like, you know, never been to Montego Bay before.
And just walk up and down. We don't know where we are go, but we just try get to know a couple places and thing.
Me experiencing hotel life for the very first time.
Yeah, it's my first time in a hotel, so yeah.
Nobody really knows that.
Alright, good. This thing makes me dizzy.
Oh, because you've never been on one of these.
Yeah, exactly.
My God, I just realised.
That was an experience, nothing to brag about, but to really be grateful and appreciate life and a whole, you see me? So that was a vibe. Going to Negril for the very first time. I always hear about Negril, never been there. 7 Mile Beach, never been there. So all of that was really a vibe and an experience to remember. You see it, and got engaged, you know, me proposed to her in Negril. Didn't get to capture that on camera, but yeah, it was amazing. We went to St. Thomas, you know. My mom is from St. Thomas, and believe me, that was the first time I actually ever been to St. Thomas. We went there twice, you understand? My whole life, that was the first time I actually went to St. Thomas. My mom is from there. My dad, even though my dad passed away like years ago, my dad is from Portland, so you know the vibes. Yeah man, and just to give you guys an update, let's see what else can talk about. Alright, so what next with the music? A lot of people have been asking me what's up with my music. Well, basically that's one I can't even really answer at this point, because to be honest, I have like an album recorded. I have like an album of songs recorded, you get me? And my biggest problem right now, can't get them to mix. You know, my engineer said that he would get them mixed, he would mix them and all of that, but he said, like before, he said after college, and basically college is over with, and now that college is over with, he has a job, so he have to be concentrating on that, you understand? And so right now, to be honest, I'm kind of left without an engineer in a sense, you get me? So that's my biggest downfall with the music right now. But believe me, that's my life right there. Music is my life. You understand?
This artist is called Africa Eye, and this track is on the old school rhythm, you know what I mean? As I can tell.
Make you walk it me like believe reach 30.
That one on you.
Situation critical and need search.
Run it.
What you walk it the first. Walk it every life, but never did in a earth.
And I started music before vlogging and all of this.
Him is not Africa, but him come from Africa, but him born in Jamaica, and he name Africa. Welcome Africa.
Alright.
Yes, I am.
You see me? So believe me, I'm gonna get back to my music. You see me? Sometimes I feel lost without my music. Honestly, I feel lost without my music. You get me? But I'm gonna get back on track with that. What's next with me and Maria? Well, the plan is to actually be together in one place, you see me? Whether it be Jamaica or Australia. But I mean, most of you would say Australia because I mean, it's a better country in a sense where like it's more easy life comparing if she would to move to Jamaica, you know, because we have a baby on the way and all of that. So it would be easier for me to move there. You understand? So that's in the making with this whole, you know, virus thing that's going around that basically slow down everything at this point. But believe me, we're gonna get back on track and we're gonna work on that. You get me? And to all the haters out there talking about, oh, I'm with her for the papers, like, if you don't have nothing good to say, just don't say nothing. You get me? Because most of you just see me and just judge me because what? Probably I'm Jamaican, because I'm black, oh, she's a white woman or whatever. That's so most of you look at life. You get me? But give thanks to the ones that support. You get me? A lot of people support us and I really appreciate that. You get me? So to be honest, I can't wait to meet the baby, you understand? We already know the gender. And I just can't wait to meet the little one. You get me? Yeah, it's just a whole different change in life. Everything feel weird, like I'm gonna be a father now. You get me? Everything just feel different, yo. Like, it feel weird, but it's a good feeling, something that I really want. You get me? I really want. You know, I'm not gonna be like some father out there, you know, just totally forget about their child or whatever. No, I'm very happy and I just wish I could have been there to experience everything with her, like during the whole process of she being pregnant and everything, you know, just feeling her, you know, her pumpkin belly and all of that stuff. You get me? And just, yeah, I don't know, but it's just a whole vibe and a whole love and blessing that I want to be a part of. You understand? I really want to be there. You get me? And I can't wait for this to be over to see, you know, our young one. Yeah, man. So yeah, that's gonna be a vibe. Also, guys, most of you don't know what I do for work, but I'm actually a local fisherman. Yes, today. You get me? I do fishing for a living. To be honest, I've never had any other job in the world. I've never had any other job before. You get me? So fishing is the only work I've done. I've experienced in. You get me? So I grew up around the water, around the ocean. So yeah, basically I connect with the ocean. Yeah, I love the ocean. So yeah, and Maria's and her. Some people talk about how does these two match? Like, I'm a fisherman. Like it just doesn't come, you know, it just doesn't add up. But yes, that's another story. You get me? But I really want to I have a GoPro and I want to make some fishing videos. That's what's also I have in plan. You get me? I want to make some fishing videos. The only problem right now is I don't have like the head strap or a chest strap to really put the GoPro on, because basically what I said fish trap, you understand, and I would like to show you guys what I actually do. You get me? And I can't really hold the camera while working at the same time. It's very difficult, you know. So I'm gonna order a head strap and get those videos started. You get me? I have heaps of videos that I also want to put out, some old videos like 2-3 years ago that I'm gonna put on the channel, because most of you don't know I did have a YouTube channel before that got deleted, so I still have all those footage and stuff. So I'm gonna start uploading those older videos and thing. You get me? So that gonna be a vibe, you see me? So yeah, man, I hope that this video basically answers most of you guys' questions, what's been happening and things like that. If you have any other question, just leave it down in the comment section. You get me? Please leave a like on this video, you see me? Comment, share, just subscribe. You get me? Click the notification bell if you're new to this channel. Yeah, man, let's do the do, cause I'm out here. You get me? Yeah, man. So when you see me and Maria again, just know say it's gonna be a vibe. You get me? Cause it's not just gonna be the two of us alone. It's gonna be 3. You see me? So yeah, man, I'm excited about that, and I know you guys are too. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, don't go anywhere. You understand? I'm just gonna put out some videos on top of videos. You get me? Stay tuned. You get me? Yes, Rasta. It's Island Boy Africa. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah. Okay guys, and follow me on my social media. You get me, subscribe to my music channel as well. Everything will be in the description down below. You get me, so do the do. Let's go now. We on a roll. We on a roll now. Let's go now. We on a roll now. Let's go now. Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't my mind. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent. Just let me touch you, I can get you in the top 10. I need your blessing, got you sailing like the captain of this yacht. I just wanna get a dog.